what's up guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through my self-care night routine. Hopefully this can maybe inspire you with your own routine. Hope you guys enjoy the video and let's just get started. So I'm currently making my second coffee of the day. Lately I've been having just black coffee with some coffee creamer, and this is the one that I've actually been trying out and it's so good. This is the Coffee Mate Italian sweet cream flavor, and it is sugar free, and that's actually why I picked this one. I do try to be conscious about how much sugar I have each day. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm glad this one is sugar free. Otherwise I probably wouldn't buy a creamer just because it can make your coffee super unhealthy. Also guys, how pretty are these roses? I just decided to randomly pick them up today while I was grocery shopping because I did see a few other people getting fresh flowers, and I thought, hey, like I never buy any, so why not? And they were pretty affordable, but I feel like they just really brighten up the apartment, add some color. They're so pretty. I'm literally obsessed. Okay, so I was just thinking that I feel like buying flowers for yourself is definitely an underrated self-care habit. You know, we don't need to wait for someone to buy us flowers. We can buy them for our own damn self. So, you know, just treat yourself, buy yourself some flowers. I swear, they just brighten up my day. They make me happy whenever I see them. So I don't know why I don't do this enough. So I'm just chilling on my couch with my coffee, and I'm actually gonna do some reading. I'm currently reading the book The Woman in the Window. I kind of started it like recently because I was kind of, you know, just slacking on reading, but I'm happy that I finally started it, and I'm just gonna dive into it more right now. I feel like it's really important to like take some time out of your day to read. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Look who came to say hi. Oh, you little cutie. Hi. Oh. Hey, say hi. Nella, Nella, look at the camera. Nella, look at the camera. Hey. Hey. There you are. Just getting some fresh air. You guys can see me in the back. But it's super nice out. It's like the perfect weather. It's like a little bit windy, not very humid. I love it. I think I'm gonna make dinner soon. It's like 6 o'clock right now and I'm starting to get hungry. Okay, time for some dinner. I'm gonna be making my favorite pasta dish ever. It is this chicken sausage pasta that I kind of made up. I just combined a bunch of ingredients and it became the best recipe ever. So let's make it. By the way guys, tomorrow it'll be exactly 14 days until my boyfriend and I move to Arizona. So you could say that I'm pretty hyped. And then over here, I'm just cutting up some veggies. So we have some onion and tomato. Chicken sausage is almost done. So I just added in some yellow onion and I'm gonna saute this with it for a little bit. Add in the tomatoes for like the last little bit just to get them a little hot so they're not so cold with everything. Okay, we're on to the most important part of this recipe, and it's actually the seasonings. So first of all, we have some pepper, we have some red chili pepper. You know your girl loves spicy food, so this is a must. This next seasoning is probably the most important seasoning though, because yeah, it just makes the whole dish. It is the Trader Joe's Mushroom Company multi-purpose unami seasoning blend. It is literally amazing. If you have not tried it, please go pick it up. I swear it makes your pasta 10 times better. And the last thing I add to the pasta is just some extra virgin olive oil. It literally makes the dish so yummy, and it's just like the perfect topping for this pasta with the seasonings and everything. I can't even tell you guys how good this is. Whoops, I forgot to add some sauteed spinach. This just adds, you know, some more veggies to the dish, and it's super good. I'm actually gonna pour myself a glass of red wine with my pasta. I feel like it'll go really well together, and this one's actually super good. I usually don't like red wine, but this one is actually not too bad. I wish I could pass a bite to you guys through the camera because you guys are really missing out. This is truly the best pasta ever. Not kidding. Oh my. Cheers. What I'm having for dessert, there are these dark chocolate pretzels from Trader Joe's, and they're seriously so freaking good, and we keep them in the fridge so they're nice and cold, and it just makes them like 10 times more delish. And a serving of these is 5 of them, so that's actually pretty good. So I'm gonna wash all these dishes now. Ari and I like to go to bed with a really clean apartment. My boyfriend and I always try our best to make sure that our apartment is super clean, dishes washed, like everything put away before we go to bed. We do like a 10-minute cleanup, and that way we just wake up to a super clean apartment. It's so much more motivating than a messy one, and just looks so nice. So that wine made me super tired, so I'm just trying to get my skincare routine done and then just like relax, watch a show. But I thought I would show you guys what my skincare routine looks like at night. So first of all, I just start by obviously taking off my makeup as much as I can. I do use makeup wipes. I know this is not the best method to take off your makeup, but I am honestly just kind of lazy, and you know, sometimes I do switch it off and I'll use like a micellar water with like a cotton pad, but for the most part I have been using makeup wipes. Now, of course, I'm going to go in with a face wash to get like the rest of my makeup off. So I use the Yes 2 Tomatoes Clear Skin Acne Detoxifying Charcoal Cleanser. I swear by this stuff, guys. Seriously, it clears up my skin so quickly. It's kind of crazy. It smells amazing. It's super affordable. I couldn't say enough good things about it. And my boyfriend uses it too, and his skin like looks amazing. So yeah, if you're looking for a really good face wash, then you should definitely check this one out. Now I'm just gonna go in with this toner on a cotton pad. This really helps like even out your skin tone and get off like any excess makeup. Not that I wanted to exfoliate today because I do try to like twice a week. So I'm going to use this St. Ives Acne Control Apricot Scrub. It helps like prevent acne and evens out your skin tone and gets rid of like any dead skin or anything, and just really like smooths out your face. Now that I literally look like a newborn baby, I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer. The one that I've been using lately is the Olay Firming Night Cream. This one's actually super nice. It feels really good on your skin and it helps like prevent wrinkles and stuff. So I really like it. scared of how pale I look right now. All of my self tanner is just totally gone, but it's on obviously the rest of my body, so I look kind of scary. Now I'm gonna go on with the Glam Glow Bright Eyes eye cream. The stuff is pretty good. I wouldn't say it's like my favorite eye cream I've ever used, but I don't have another one, and I still have so much left that I just keep using it. You know. Make sure to use your ring finger when you apply your eye cream. I hate to see people using another finger because this is actually like your lightest finger, and your eye area is so delicate that you need to use your ring finger. Yeah, just an FYI. Every night before bed, I do fill out my to-do list. This way I wake up knowing exactly what I need to do, and I do use this app called Do, and it's a really great app. Highly recommend it. So I'm just going to fill this out. I also always make sure that I have a full water bottle next to me when I go to bed, just because I get thirsty in the middle of the night, and I like to wake up and drink water because it actually wakes you up. So yeah, I've been really loving ice cold water. Like, this is freezing cold. I don't know, usually I don't, honestly. I usually just have like room temperature water. I feel like that's kind of weird, but lately I've been having it very cold. So also, every night before bed, I go to our air conditioning and I actually turn it down to 66, and that's just because that's the best temperature to sleep at. You should sleep in a colder room. It'll help you sleep a lot better. Alright guys, I'm going to head to bed now. I'm just gonna be watching like an episode or two of The Office. I've already seen it twice through, but you know, we're watching it for a third time because it's just the best show ever. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my self-care night routine. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I guess I should say good night.